Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to resolve this remote host identification has changed error, which always pops up most at times when you're trying to connect your Linux server to a terminal. Why does this error occur? This error always occurs when the host key that the server is using doesn't match the data or the host key that is in the known host file. So when it doesn't match the data that is in the known host file, this error will occur. So what causes this key to change? What triggers this key to change is when you frequently change your password or when you rebuild your VPS host. Normally, the key will have to change. So this is why this key always changes, and this is the reason why you always get this error message on your screen. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you learn the simplest and common method or strategy to resolve this error message within seconds. Within seconds, you'll be able to resolve this message. But before we jump into the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be posting more important videos like this in the days ahead. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I post a video, you will be notified. Watch the video. See you at the end of the video. Thank you. So right now I'm trying to connect my Linux server to the terminal, to my Ubuntu terminal, and when I put in my IP address, as you can see at the top, I get this error message saying warning, remote host identification has changed. Let me clear my screen and do that again for you all to see. So when I try to connect to this server, when I hit enter, I get this error message which says warning, remote host identification changed. And yeah, so the very first thing to do to correct this error message is you need to try to study the error, what it's saying. You read it, you understand it. It's saying remote host identification has changed. It also says here add correct host key in this file. So what this error is simply saying is the host key that is in this file has changed. So what we need to do right now is to put the remote file, correct the host key in this remote file. And to correct the host key in this remote file, there are two methods to do it. You can either use the text editor method to edit into this file and correct the host key, or you use the shortest method ever, which I'm going to show you right now, which is very simple. This is the shortest method which I'm going to show you right now. What you need to do when you get this error message on your screen is simple, is this. When you get here where it says SSH keygen -/ into this file, you copy this whole line starting from SSH keygen, that's to generate a new key, up to the end. You copy this whole line. Once you copy this line, you paste it at the terminal point here. Once you paste it here, the next thing to do is to hit enter. Once you click enter, it's going to open you this other page. Once you click enter, it's going to open this way. So once you get here, the next thing to do, if I get to log in again on the host, remember this is the same host I put at the top here, which says remote host has changed, which gave me this error. Now this is the same IP and everything. If I click on it right now, you can see I'm already logging in. So I've bypassed the error already. Very simple. There is no need for me logging or using text editor to get into the file and go and start looking for whatever in there. No need, no time to waste. None. I've logged in on my server already. So this is the shortest way to bypass this error message, or to correct this error message. Just copy this line, paste it, and you're good to go. And then you try to log in again and you'll be able to log in. Hey, welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you've learned the simplest strategy or method to resolve this issue once you encounter it. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I post another video, you will be notified by YouTube and you will quickly watch that video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Drop a comment at the comment section, as your comment will help me to improve in my content creating skills. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.